Yes, good morning class 5 and welcome to today's class. Okay, as you know that we were doing chapter number 6, be my multiple, I'll be your factor, isn't it? Yes, now come to this chapter, we will start from where we have left. Yes, this is the request to everyone, kindly mute your microphone. Class 5, everyone mute your microphone. Otherwise, you will not be able to listen me. Everyone mute your microphone. One more request, those who are present, just write present ma'am and send to me. Those who are present, just write present ma'am and send to me. This is for your attendance, okay? Just write present ma'am and send to me. Okay, come to page number 93. I think up to page number 92 we have already completed. Up to page number 92 we have already completed, isn't it? Come to page 93. In page 93 we were discussing that more tamarind seeds, isn't it? We were discussing this one, more tamarind seeds. And as you know, the girl Amini, she has arranged 12 tamarind seeds in different in the form of rectangles in different forms, and it was asked that how many different rectangles can you make with the help of this 12 tamarind seeds, isn't it? Oh, 93 also we have completed. Let us just revise this one, page 93, then we will go to 94. See, in this page 93, the first question was how many different rectangles can you make from that 12 tamarind seeds? How many rectangles can you make? How many you have written? How many rectangles you have written? You have written 3. Okay. But actually it will be 5, not 3. Just rub it and write 5. 5 rectangles can be made using these 12 tamarind seeds. Okay, just do the correction. It will be 5. How it is 5? See, you have to take the LCM. Just not LCM, you have to break it. How you will break? First, it is 12 into 1. 12 into 1, okay. Then 6 into 2, that means 6 columns and 2 rows, it will be 12. Then 2 columns and 6 rows, again it will be 12. So one will be 6 into 2 and the other will be 2 into 6. Similarly 4 into 3 and 3 into 4. Okay, suppose 12, this is 12 into 1, that means you will arrange the 12 tamarind seeds like this way: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. One horizontal, one vertical. So 2 ways, isn't it? Similarly, if you are doing 6 into 2, 6 into 2 means 6, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, like this way. This is also 6 into 2 and 2 into 6, that means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12, like this. Okay, 6 into 2 as well as 2 into 6. And similarly one more, 4 into 3 or 3 into 4. Okay, so this means you can arrange in 5 different ways. In 5 different ways you can arrange. So write it 5. Write it 5. In 5 different ways you can arrange the 12 tamarind seeds. Now come to the next one. If there are 15 tamarind seeds, how many rectangles can you make? Here you have written 2, isn't it? Here you have written 2. Yes, it is 2. Now come to the next one, coloring the grid. This already you have done, okay? Coloring the grid. Now in the grid here, a rectangle made of 20 boxes is drawn. A rectangle which has 20 boxes included. It is being drawn in the grid, okay? The first question is, the width of this rectangle is 2 boxes. As you can see in the book, it is vertically, and the length is 10 and the breadth is 2. So what is its length? You have to find the length. That means in vertically there are how many boxes? I think you have written 10 boxes. Yes, it is 10 boxes. Okay, so write it 10 boxes. Then the next question, color a rectangle made of 20 boxes in some other way. Now you have to color the rectangles. That means the 20 rectangles you have to make in this grid, and then you have to color it. So how you will do? First of all, you can draw a straight 20 rectangles from top to bottom, isn't it? Similarly, you can draw one horizontal rectangle from the lower one or from any side, isn't it? So which includes 20 boxes, vertical as well as horizontal. So this way you can get 2. Then again, if you are arranging in 4 into 5, 4 into 5, that means 4 boxes, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, like this, 4 boxes horizontal and 5 boxes vertical, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, like this way. See, I am drawing freehand, that's why my boxes are not of equal sizes, but you can draw like this way also, 4 and 5. Similarly, the opposite, here it will be 4 and this side it will be 5. That means horizontally we are taking 5 boxes and vertically we are taking 4 boxes. So this way you can arrange or you can color the rectangle, okay? And how many boxes? So this way you can draw the boxes in the grid given in the book. Now come to page number 94. Page number 94. You are not able to hear me? Students, you are not able to hear me? Yes, you are not able to hear me. Write in the chat box. I'm audible to everyone. I'm not audible. But from our side it is okay. Yes, students, I am audible to everyone. Yes. Okay, listen. Now come to page number 94. The first question. What is the length and width of the rectangle? That means what is the length of the length and width of the rectangle you have made inside that grid? As you have written, 5 into 4 and 20 into 1. That means only 2 rectangles you have drawn, 1 into 20 and 5 into 4. Some more rectangles also you can draw, like 4 into 5 and 1 into 20. Okay, 1 into 20. Yes, Isha, it is correct. Now come to the next question. In how many ways can you color a rectangle of 20 boxes? Color them all in the grid and write the length and width of each rectangle you have colored. So here it is asked that you color the rectangle of 20 boxes and then write the length and width of the each rectangle you have colored. That means how many rectangles you have made, you just write the length and width of each of the rectangles. Okay, here it is given that we can draw in 3 ways, isn't it? Means suppose you have drawn 3 rectangles, so the length of the rectangles will be 10 into 20 because 20 boxes are included, isn't it? So one will be 10 into 20, one will be 5 into 4, and one will be 20 into 1. 1 into 20 or 20 into 1, then 2 into 10 or 10 into 2, and 5 into 4 and 4 into 5. Okay, so this way you can form the different rectangles in the grid and then color it. Okay, now come to the next one, bangles. Bangles we have completed. I think we have not started the bangles. Okay, let us start bangles. There are 18 bangles on the rod. Meena is trying to group them. She can put them in groups of 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18 without any bangle being left. How many groups will she have if she makes groups of 1 bangle each? See here, she has 18 bangles, and out of 18 bangles she is making groups of 2, 3, 6 and 9. Okay, these are the different groups she is making, and 18 also. But the question asked is how many groups will she have if she make group of 1 bangle each? That means in one group only 1 bangle is there. So how many groups she can make? How many groups she can make? Yes, exactly. She can make 18 groups. So write in the book only. Write in the book only. She can make 18 groups of 1 bangle each. Or Meena can make 18 groups of 1 bangle each. Meena can make 18 groups of 1 bangle each. Okay, now come to the next one. Now complete for different number of bangles. For each number, see what different groups can be made. Now here some numbers are given, you have to make the groups. Okay, first is given 18. So number of bangles are 18 and different groups we can make is 18, that is 18 into 1. Then 2, that means 2 into 9. So 9 will also be there, 2 is also is. Then 3, 6, 9 and 18. So this 18 can be grouped in these 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18 bangles. Okay, these are the groups. Similarly for 24, that means you have to write that in which table the number comes. Okay, suppose 18 comes in the table of 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. Now 24 comes in the table of how much? Write it down quickly. 24 comes in the table of first of all 1, then 2, then 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24, isn't it? Any more? Okay, write in the book. Next one, 5. 5 comes in the table of only 1 and 5, means the 1 and the number itself. 9, it comes in 1, 3 and 9. 7, 1 comma 7, only 2 numbers, 1 and 7. Next is 2. 2 is also similar, 1 comma 2. Then 10. 10 comes in the table of 1, 2, 5 and 10. 1, 2, 5 and 10. Yes, now the next one. Can you see the board? The board is visible to everyone. Yes. Now write the next one. 1. 1, only 1, isn't it? 1 comes in the ones table only. Then next one, 20. Next one is 20. 20 comes in the table of 1, then 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. Next one is 13. 13 comes in the table of 1 and 13 itself. 21. 21 comes in the table of 1, 3, 7 and 21 itself. Okay. So these are the numbers of bangles and different groups made. Okay. Students, today up to this only. You practice whatever we have done today, and whatever we have done today, you practice it, and the rest part we will do it tomorrow. Okay. So bye for today.